Okay, welcome to one more episode of morning routine. What do you actually look when you want to enter the market and how the market is behaving today? Let's understand where the market is going to head, whether it is going to go up or whether it is going to go down. And this is what we want. Now the problem is people don't have clue of what is happening in the market. Subah ko upar khula and then going down, and the ups and downs continue. And this is where the problem happens. Oh, one thing is very, very important, that you need to have a trade plan in place. Okay. So when you have a trade plan in place, the idea and the understanding is you follow that trade plan. Let the market do what it wants to do, but you need to follow the trade plan. Very, very important that you study your market before the market actually starts. And when you are ready with your plan of action, okay, then and then only you will get that advantage of you being right. Now, market is all about probability. It is not about how many times you are right or wrong. It is about the game of probability. And like I'm saying again and again, you need to do in and out. Very, very important. Okay. Now, everybody was thinking in terms of how the markets are going to behave. Now we are seeing the IT industries in the last 3-4 days um, giving wonderful movements. Okay, nobody had a clue that they are going to perform. Yes, they are going to perform because without IT, nothing is going to work. Okay, everything is going to go standstill. Everything, whatever we are doing, the Zoom meeting we are doing, okay, the hardware which you are using, everything is related to IT and the software and the hardware. Okay, so that is going to be the game changers. Okay, this is what is market all about. You need to understand and you need to look ahead of the time. What exactly is the market doing, and where is the business? Where is the business now? Think about it. Where is the business? Okay, and that will give you a clear idea of what to do in the market. So Sunday morning we are going to have a wonderful session of building up the portfolio, and this is really exciting because I am going to share with you, okay, my portfolio, how I went about building up the portfolio. It is a very young portfolio, believe me, but this is what I have learned from the Buffett University, where I had joined early this year, and this has given me a wonderful start. Okay, and this is what I would love to share with every one of you. So if you have not registered yourself, please register for a wonderful session. We will have 2 sessions. So one is building up the portfolio, which sector to pick up, which stocks to pick up in that particular sector also, and what and how you should be going about it. Now you may have 50, 100 stocks in your portfolio, but are you able to monitor that? Now when the time comes to exit, you are not exiting, and this is what the gadbad happens. So we want to know the exact number of stocks which we can monitor, and this is what we are looking at. So guys, very important that the Sunday morning 10 o'clock we will start. 10 to 12 will be the time. Lock it out, and believe me, it will be worthwhile to have this understanding of how to build the portfolio. Okay, so guys, let me share the screen with you, and let me just go ahead and start the trade tiger. Okay, so we are almost in the full strength every day, whatever is happening. Okay, so let's take the Nifty first. So Nifty yesterday, as we had specifically said, morning May it went down, okay, and then it went up, and then it closed in between. Okay, so what type of candle we were looking at? Okay, so just to for someone who is practically new over here, let me share this particular thing with you, what we had actually seen. Just give me a second so that I can share that particular screen with you. Okay, actually the morning analysis photograph what we had seen, and where that particular market is going to go and how it is going to behave. So let me share this screen with you. So this is what we had actually worked on, right? We had predicted the market to end up in this particular fashion, and this is what exactly what has happened. Are you with me? Are you getting me how it actually goes about? And this is the beauty of the market. You can, this is bank nifty wala thing, okay, but most of the time, okay, we are looking at the price going down, then going up, and then ending up in between. And this is what, most of the time, okay, it's very very important for you to understand. Most of this time this is going to have this particular impact of the market. So this is the July series, and let's check the bank nifty also. So here is the bank nifty, right? Going down right inside the zone, going up, and then closing in between. Now tell me one thing very clearly, was this not what we had predicted early morning? Very important for you to understand that when you are looking at the market, when you want to play the bigger game, you have to first understand it correctly, and that is where the money is. Okay, so guys, very important for you to understand how the markets are behaving. Let me again share the screen with you. Okay, so this is what we had predicted. This is going to go in the zone, trying to come up, and then will be closing in between. And this is what market is all about. Market is all about you understanding the game right. Okay, so guys, very important for us to understand how the game is being played. Now whether the nifty or the bank nifty, whether it is going to go up, whether it is going to go down, you need to understand that the system of knowing what to do and when to do is very very important. Okay, so here we have analyzed the bank nifty also. Any questions on this particular thing? Anyone has any questions on this? Let me understand who all are there. Okay, any questions on this? Whatever we had discussed yesterday, any questions on this? No questions? Can I go ahead?
Sir, what to not do?
Sorry?
What to not do?
What not to do? Yes. What not to do is you need to understand that you cannot have a naked position. That means you need to follow your risk management. Very, very important in this case, that sometimes you are wrong, then you need to get out of the positions also. What not to do is you cannot have a mindset which is one side mindset. Okay, now when we learn options, these options will give you a clear picture of whether the price is going to go up, whether the price is going to go down. You can check your open interest. Okay, and that gives you a better idea. We had seen this open interest, where we had seen where it is going to go. This is going to dance between these two levels. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So where was the open interest? 2300 and 2100. Okay, and in terms of Nifty, what it was done, what it had done, the open interest was very very clear to us, and this helped us to actually understand the game. Now people will say, अरे ये तो fluke में है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. It is nothing as a fluke, but we need to understand that we are in a position where anything can happen. Okay, market is heated up, okay, and it has gone up very significantly, but whenever the downfall is coming in, okay, it is being picked up. What is picking up the bank nifty? few of the stocks, right? Let's check what the IT stocks had done. So which were the stocks which were really good and which were the stocks which were really bad? Okay, so let's check this out. So few of the stocks which actually moved yesterday, and when the Bank Nifty was down, what pulled up the Bank Nifty? Axis Bank was there, Kotak Bank was there, okay, and Indus Bank was there. This was the one which was pulling up. Yes, SBI also took part, but it did not give so significant move. But you know, collectively, things were in a better shape. What about the IT sector? So you need to understand whether the IT sector really moved or not moved. So let us go to the Nifty stocks, okay, and see what was the main contributor to the Nifty. Now everybody was saying that this cannot go up. This cannot go up, and it has really moved up really strong because of the earning seasons. Okay, and that actually contributed. HCL Tech, okay, again contributed. But see the signal over here of even if the move is there, okay, but thakne ka move hai. We had given 3-4 days back the Tech Mahindra, and it exactly went to our target of 635. Exact. Okay, and then what happens? It came down significantly. So while we had a wonderful entry and giving you 30, 40, 50 points, this is what we want. Okay, and if you do an in and out, it is perfectly all right. Okay, markets are not going to run away. Okay, and whenever, even if it runs away, okay, significantly downfall. The only problem which I had with IT sector going up, okay, I was into IT sector because last 3 days I've been saying that Bank Nifty ko pressure hai and IT is being pulled up, and that is the correlation which we had yesterday also significantly put into picture. See this Wipro right at the top giving a wonderful move. So IT has now moved. Okay, now it will dance over there at this above junction wala thing. Okay, what about Shipla? Let's check Shipla. Okay, after a strong consolidation, a strong movement up on the upper side, but we are right at the top. We are right at the top. Okay, and that is what is what people are afraid of. Oh my God, what is going to happen? Okay, Reliance is not going to contribute as on now. It has already made its move. Okay, so anything else can push the Nifty up. But if this bearish engulfing price going down, okay, we are waiting for what entry? We are waiting for what entry? Okay, we'll use the Fibonacci ratios. We'll use the Fibonacci tools to see the entries. And this is very, very important that you use your Fibonacci ratios in a right fashion. Okay, so this is where we are looking at to get a wonderful entry again in Reliance. But people say, boss, इतना ऊपर भाग गया अभी कैसे ले सकते हैं? Now you think about it, whether you love to buy this or you want to wait. Now you want to wait, then the wait could be endless. It was a 100% V-shaped recovery in this case. Okay, this is a weekly chart of Reliance, 100% V-shaped recovery, and this is what the market actually gives you. V-shaped recovery, not knowing anything, how nobody has a clue of why this market is moving. No, it is nothing like that. Think in terms of business. In the next 5 years, which business are going to work? Now you want to build up a portfolio, you want to play the game right. Okay, you need to understand this, that market is all about what you are looking at. Somebody wants to buy, somebody wants to sell. Okay, when somebody is buying, will he not try to find out someone whom he can sell at the next level? So it is very, very important that you rotate your stock, you rotate some part of the money, okay, and keep on doing the in and out. Arey, wo main reh gaya. It is nothing called as reh gaya. You can always buy on the top, not a problem at all. But do you have a plan of action? And do you have the risk management in place? That is another way of looking at the price. Okay, you have to have your risk management in place, and that is what is going to help you. Okay, now will it come back to 900? No. Even if the market falls also, this price is not going to come back to 900 for sure. So if you are waiting for that 900 ka entry, very, very unlikely this can go back to 900. If this goes back to 900, that means this is the biggest contributor to the Nifty. Okay, then where can Nifty go? Okay, but what is the business model? Has Reliance not changed the complete business model? So guys, very, very important that you understand what business people are doing, and that is what is going to help you to understand where I want to remain for the next maybe 3 years period. If we are not looking at anything else, 3 years period. So this is ITC. Okay, the last one to move in this case, but it has come from 140 to almost 206. It gave a wonderful dividend, and now it is consolidating. Okay, so it's very important. This was the last mover. Okay, but which are the stocks which are real strong movers? Again, a V-shaped recovery. See this? Again, a V-shaped recovery in this, and the price shooting up really strong and fast. Okay, so these stocks which are strong now, they become very strong. So for every a down move, these stocks will be picked up for sure. Okay, and now people are sitting at home. They do not have any particular thing to do, so they are looking for income. Okay, and that is where lot of accounts have been opened, new accounts. When people are sitting at home, the laptop is converted to an ATM machine. So you can do this, boss. You can do this. You can convert this laptop to an ATM machine, and this is what is very, very important, very significant, that that you look at it as a earning machine, a second source of income, and this is very, very important. Okay, in this corona time, we are sitting at home, everybody is only crying, and initial stage pe we saw so many movies, this, that, but has it helped anyone? Okay, now you will read today morning newspaper, arey bichara itna jan gaya, ye kiya, wo kiya. Now you can do all that, not a problem at all. But if you want to do that, is it going to help you out? Just think about it. If that is not going to help you, what is the fun? What is the fun of you being into this particular game? Chalo, any questions? Let me take some questions. Questions.
Sir, if my trade is going wrong,
Right.
then I can do double shot on that level.
No. No.
Okay. For what reason?
It is called as revenge trade, which is not permissible as far as the trading part is concerned. Okay, you cannot do a revenge trade. Okay, what is a guarantee that is going to work? It is not going to work. Okay, and it will dance in that range, and every both the side the stop loss will get hit. Then what you do?
Okay.
So you have to understand where it is going. So go to a higher time frame and check it out where it is going. If it is going up, you have to be a buyer, and if it is going down, you have to be a seller. That is the only thing which you need to understand, where it is going on a higher time frame.
Perfect.
Okay, great, good question. But don't fight with the market. Okay, if you be along with the market, please understand, market will reward all those who stay with it. Those who will fight against the market, okay, they are not going to be rewarded. एक simple example दे रहा हूं आपको. You are at the seashore, okay, आप दरिया किनारे हैं, and the waves are coming in. Okay, waves are coming in. मोजे अंदर आ रहे हैं. If you go inside, will it not throw you back? कि वो वेव्स को फाइट करने का कोशिश करते हो आप. अगर आप वेव्स को फाइट करने की कोशिश करते हो तो क्या होने वाला है? मार पड़ने वाली है कि नहीं पड़ने वाली है? तो you cannot fight the waves, you can surf the wave. Please understand this. You can surf the wave, you cannot fight the wave. जैसे वो आप उसके अगेंस्ट जाने वालों, जोर से वो फटका मारेगा, आपको बाहर फेंक देता है. आप कभी सीशोर पे गए हो? So when it is the same, market is the same. Think in that particular term. अगर आप उसके अगेंस्ट में जाने हो, तो market is not going to help you. एक दो टाइम बच भी जाओ. जैसे वो पांडु आपको नहीं दिखा और अपने सिग्नल तोड़ा, एक दो टाइम बच गए, लेकिन सामने भी कोई ऐसी गाड़ी मिल जाएगी और वो भी अगर सिग्नल तोड़ने वाला है, या तो वो सिग्नल को राइट तरीके से गया, हम बैंग एक्सीडेंट हो गया, एंड यू आर गॉन. Okay, so don't fight with the market, be with the market, follow the market. Very, very important for you to follow the market. Questions?
Sir, what is the differences between ATP and volume weighted average price?
What is the difference between
ATP, average traded price, and volume weighted average price?
Okay, one has the calculation based on the total volume, and one is only the weighted price based on the calculation purpose. If you want to understand this, go to investopedia.com, and there is a mathematical calculation, okay, on a volume. See, one takes into account the volume, total volume of the traded volume. One can say the traded volume, okay, and one is taking care of the price. So there is a mathematical calculations, and I am very bad at that. So investopedia.com में जाओ और वहां पे वो mathematical calculations देख लो. Okay, if you understand that mathematical calculation good enough, if you are not able to understand, sorry, I am not using both of them.
Okay.
Okay, so Investopedia, you have the formula over there. You can go and check it out.
Okay.
Questions?
And sir, what about super trend?
I only go by the price. Super trend, any other moving average, whether just think about it. Okay, everything is a lagger. If you are able to concentrate only on the price, you are the master. Now think in terms of whether whatever you want to use. Chalo, let's example questions which are coming in, valid questions. Let me take the super trend. Now what it is ATR period is 10 and multiplier is 3. So again here it is what? Average trading range. Average trading range is taken. So when I put it over here, what do you get out of it? Chalo, you only tell me what you get out of it. Does it make sense to you?
Okay.
Does it make sense to you कि यहाँ पे buy और sell कहाँ पे भी बताया है उसने? No. यहाँ तलक तो वो बोल रहा है sell करो, और फिर यहाँ से buy करने के लिए बोल रहा है, लेकिन आप एंट्री कहाँ पे मार रहे हो? आप एंट्री यहाँ पे नीचे नहीं मार रहे हो, आप एंट्री यहाँ से ऊपर मार रहे हो. And what time frame you will be working? So all these are, they are good as a system, but for a human mind, okay, all this is, I would say, bullshit. Sorry, but I am frankly speaking not using it. ओके, बिकॉज ये मेरे चार्ट को खिचड़ी बना डालता है, ये मेरे चार्ट को खिचड़ी बनाता है. एंड व्हेन माय चार्ट्स बिकम खिचड़ी, आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी द प्राइस, एंड दिस इज नॉट permissible. Okay, I may not even use moving average. I may not use the
You are
moving
not.
average.
You are not at all use your moving average.
No, I am not using the moving average. For all practical purpose, I will not use moving average also. Yes, and if I want to use, okay, simple, one moving average is more than sufficient for our practical purpose. Only one
So, sir,
moving average.
as you say, you are concentrate only on supply and demand.
Supply and demand, and definitely the price action.
Okay.
Now, एक ही चीज मेरे को बताओ. If I am looking at this as a price, okay, last candle as a price, what is the price telling you? Is it telling you to sell anything right now? Okay, यहां से लेके वहां तक, is the price even change direction? Has the price changed direction? No, right? So whether you use a trend line analysis, simple trend line analysis, or use single moving average, चलो स्टडी करते हैं, ऐड सिंगल मूविंग एवरेज, एवरेज एक ही एवरेज डालते हैं. ओके, यू यूज एनी, कौन सा चाहिए आप बोलो, इंस्टेड ऑफ आई टेलिंग यू, यू टेल मी कि कौन सा यूज करूं मैं, बिकॉज
20.
अंडरस्टैंड, ई टी वी डब्ल्यू कितना है, इट इज मैडनेस.
Exponential 20 moving.
20 moving average, exponential 20. Okay, now tell me, if you are using a exponential 20, आपका एंट्री तो यहाँ पे ही आ गया, somewhere over here. Okay, now if you are using a particular thing, कि भाई ये लेवल से गिरा है, if you are looking at supply and demand, तो ये लेवल को यहाँ से कट हुआ, तो now at least you need to have an entry over here.
Yeah.
This is a weekly chart, please remember this. Weekly chart है ये. So what is moving the market? Okay, ये all time high था, and इसने तोड़ा, तो फिर और 400-500 पॉइंट ऊपर चला गया. So this is what you want. Now you put in all the khichdi. Let me put in the khichdi. Why people are getting themselves wrong is they put in so many things. Okay, वो Bollinger Band डालेंगे, फिर वो लोग सुपर ट्रेंड डालेंगे, CCI डालेंगे. Okay, now you only tell me, eco blah blah blah. Let's put all this. Okay, and then they will pull MACD, and then they will put MACD histogram, and then they will put in. अच्छा, अभी इसमें प्राइस क्या दिख रहा है मेरे को बताओ.
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा.
तो अभी आप मेरे को बताओ, आप ही बताओ कि इसमें अगर प्राइस ही नहीं दिख रहा है तो हम काम क्या करेंगे. Okay, so the point is, which I am trying to tell you, keep your chart clean as possible. Okay, and chart को बोलने दो, उसके साथ में बात करो. How do we come to a understanding कि कल वो क्या करने वाला है, सुबह सुबह में कहां पे सेल करना है. It came right inside the zone, वहां पे सेल होके straight back to our zone. ये कहां से मिला? It was a clear learning, right learning कि भाई मेरे को कहां पे बेचना है, कहां पे खरीदना है. It was pure science, pure science. I am not saying that I am right, okay, and I am wrong, but the point is whatever you are doing. अभी ये देखो खिचड़ी क्या बनाने वाले हो आप मेरे को बताओ, इसमें आपको क्या समझ में आएगा. Now you will say, अरे भाई ये मत यूज करो, लाइन चार्ट यूज करो. फिर आप बोलोगे बार चार्ट यूज करो. ओके, आप बोलोगे दूसरा कुछ यूज करो. हाँ, सब कुछ यूज करो, लेकिन चार्ट में प्राइस तो दिखना चाहिए कि नहीं दिखना चाहिए.
अरे मयूर, sell it as a painting. मयूर, sell it as a painting.
करेक्ट. So whatever you are
Arey,
doing,
only one thing works here. What Mayur is saying is absolutely right. Price, and demand,
Only price.
supply, price. All
Price
these
and
other
demand
things
supply.
we have been using for 20 years, all useless. All these indicators lagging, as Mayur has repeatedly said. Please focus price. Learn how to read price and we'll go very far.
Yeah, perfect.
like अभी मेरे को बताओ, अभी ये प्राइस क्या कर रहा है? जस्ट एक सेकंड में बताओ, ये प्राइस क्या कर रहा है? बोलो. साइडवेज है, साइड में है, क्या है कुछ तो मालूम है?
Moving sideways at the present.
मतलब एक सेकंड लगता है फाइंड आउट करने के लिए वो साइडवेज मूव कर रहा है. ओके, अभी जब तक ये 198 के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, हाँ, तब तक वो ऊपर जाने वाला है क्या? चलो, अभी ये साइडवेज नहीं है तो क्या है? इवन इट विथ इज इन्वर्टेड हेड एंड शोल्डर, इसको ग्रीन कलर का कैंडल यहां तक नहीं बनेगा तब तक वो ऊपर जाएगा ही नहीं. So this is very very important for you to understand. अच्छा, एक ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से चलो, अभी ये नेस्ले, हाँ, मार्केट गोइंग ऑल टाइम, अभी तो ऑल टाइम हाई भी नहीं है, लेकिन नेस्ले कहां पे गया? जो चीज स्ट्रांग है वो स्ट्रांग रहने वाली है, उसको थोड़ी आप मारामारी कर सकने वाले हो. सो इट इज ओके. आपको एक ही सिंपल एग्जांपल है, बाय लो सेल हाई, बाय लो सेल हाई. ये दिमाग में पहले तो घुसा के रखो. अब कैसे पब्लिक एरा बनती है? जस्ट टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. And I will show you, and this is what people go wrong. Okay, and जब भी हम लोग संडे को when we are going to meet, I will explain to you what is happening. Now is this not a clear understanding कि ये supply zone पे पहुंचा है? Think about it. We have learned the Gantt chart, 48 number. Right on the top, if you buy, क्या होने वाला है? But people have that habit of buying right at the top. They will not buy at the low price. Okay, if you are using a moving average, तो एंट्री कहां पे आया? लेकिन आपके पास उतना पेशेंस था यहां से यहां के लिए रुकने के लिए. पैसा डबल हो गया बॉस. 17 रुपीज वाला 34 रुपीज हो गया. पैसा डबल हो गया. ओके, वन मोर एग्जांपल. ये तो हम लोग ने बताया था 22 रुपीज पे. ओके, 22 रुपीज पे बाय करो. हाँ, गोइंग राइट अप टिल 48 49. एग्जिट क्या था? यस, हम लोग ने एग्जिट किया. हम लोग ने फिर से बाय किया. यस, हम लोग ने फिर से बाय किया. सो नाउ यू टेल मी, वाज इट नॉट द थिंग? एंड
Sir, which script?
levels have been drawn. Okay, 50% का जो रिट्रेसमेंट था वो 38.73, एग्जैक्टली एट 38.73 आके फिर से ऊपर भागा. Now you tell me, was it science or art or what? So it is very important that you follow the market. Don't use और एक ही कोई भी सिस्टम को पकड़ के रखो and just use at least 50 trades on that system. If it pays you, don't follow anything else. लेकिन खिचड़ी मत बनाओ. चार्ट को खिचड़ी में मत देखो. Questions? So guys, the ups and down will still continue. लेकिन अभी आप ये सोचते हो ना 7,500 आएगा तभी मैं इन्वेस्ट करूंगा, ऐसे पॉसिबल नहीं होने वाले. ओके, आज के लिए ऑयल सेक्टर को ध्यान में रख के काम करना. ओके, ऑयल सेक्टर को ध्यान में रख के काम करना. बीपीसीएल है, जस्ट लेट्स वी हैव लेस नंबर ऑफ टाइम. जस्ट एक बीपीसीएल का एक खाली चार्ट आपको दिखा देता हूं. Okay, now if it is breaking this 396 levels, आज strong up move है. Okay, we could see this going up. Okay, it has already done this cup and handle का formation, and यहाँ पे rally base हुआ है. This could give us a wonderful move for the day. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope I have been able to give you value. Please do come in again and again. I will try and help and keep the questions coming in. Hope this is giving you some insight of what to do, what not to do. Thank you.